friend, it's Simply T again, and I'm just popping in to say hi and just to do something a little fun. So I've been watching everybody's Vlogmas videos. I've been watching all of the decorations and the Christmas shopping videos and all of that. Somebody with a really dope channel that I love to watch actually tagged me to do a Christmas tag after I watched her Christmas tag. So if you want to know more about this beautiful girl, just go ahead and scroll down to my description box and her channel link will be right there where you need to find it. Make sure you go and watch her tag video as well. I'm going to run through Christmas tag questions and I hope to just share a little bit more about myself and how I celebrate Christmas with you guys through these questions. So let's get started. So the first question is, how do you celebrate Christmas? I celebrate Christmas in a very simple and intimate way with some of my family members. This year was a little bit different. Every now and then I'll get together with some friends or maybe our extended family out of town. But with everything that's going on, we kind of just kept it simple this year. I did celebrate a Secret Santa gift exchange with my girlfriends. We had a pajama party last weekend. I was supposed to vlog for y'all, but yeah, as soon as I walked in that room, I put the camera down and then just went on about my business. I'm trying to get better. I celebrate Christmas with my family, my immediate family. We exchange gifts, we go to worship, and we just watch movies. It's kind of, but yeah, it's still a special holiday. We just don't go all out with the matching pajamas and anything like that. But I'd love to do that kind of stuff. Second question is, how are you spending this Christmas? So like I said, it's pretty low key, and this year is going to be no exception to that. So we're probably just going to kick it. I know we try to mix it up every now and then, and the food is probably the most special part of our celebration. But yeah, I don't have anything majorly planned for this holiday this year. Staying safe and, you know, really giving more than I plan to receive, only because those are some of the things that help me stay in a joyous mood throughout the season, whether it's feeding somebody or gifting someone or hanging out with the young people at my church and giving gifts, maybe spending some time with the elderly. So my idea of Christmas celebration is more service-based and more based on what I can do for other people rather than what I can receive or what I'm looking for. Are you good at buying gifts for others? Yes, I am. I would like to believe I'm good at getting gifts for other people. Only because, like, I'm the type of gift giver that likes to make you feel like somebody's actually listening to you. I'm the type of person that likes to give gifts based off of what I know about you or what you'd share with me. One of my favorite things about getting to know people or doing things for people is to do little things that will remind them that, you remember that conversation we had? Yeah, I totally cared about that. So it might be your favorite color that the gift comes in. It might be something that's been on your wish list for a while. Or it might be something super duper sentimental that reminds you of a special time in your life or a special loved one. So my gifts, I wouldn't call them tear jerkers. That's not what I aim for, but I would definitely say my gifts, no matter how expensive or affordable or low price they are, I always try to leave an impact emotionally, no matter who the person is. Or what is your most memorable Christmas memory? I have a lot of Christmas memories. One of the funniest ones that stick out when I read that question is when I was a whole lot younger. We were at the church that I grew up in and we didn't have a Santa Claus, and they wanted to have a gift exchange or like a little Christmas party for the kids, for us. My dad brought me to the church and we were kicking it. We were having our snacks and everything like that. unwrapping our gifts, and then all of a sudden he disappeared, and they started ringing sleigh bells and Santa Claus came out and everybody lost it. All the kids in the room freaked out, including me. And then I was like, is that my daddy? That's my daddy. I recognize him. That's you. That's you. So I didn't want to say nothing too low. Like, I thought my dad was really like an undercover, like, Santa Claus. Like, not that he was pretending to be Santa Claus. That night, I actually believed that all this time, my dad had been keeping this lifelong secret that he was Santa Claus. I confronted him about it in front of all the kids, and I gave him a big old kiss, and he denied it to the end. And then I think like a couple weeks later, like, I like snuck into their room to watch TV or something like that. And I found some of the pieces of the beard that he was wearing with the Santa Claus costume. So I don't know. That's the first thing that comes to my mind. How did you spend last Christmas? How did I spend last Christmas? Sleep. Y'all know I'm a homebody. Y'all know I be kicking it. So like, I just primarily remember eating, opening really great presents with my parents and my family, and watching The Mandalorian. Yeah, I think I plan on doing the same exact thing this year. So not much has changed. On Christmas Eve, what do you leave out for Santa? Not cookies, because I'm eating them. Sorry, Santa. What is your favorite Christmas movie? Home Alone? Home Alone, yeah. What is your favorite Christmas song? This would be Silent Night, or This Christmas, the original, not all the covers. I know y'all enjoy that every year, but Donny Hathaway's version is the best to me. You can debate me in the comments if you want to, but I said what I said. The original is the best version of This Christmas. What do you eat on Christmas Day? So, we probably start off with having something like baked chicken, baked fish, something baked in the oven, turkey, ham, whatever. We usually end off the night with having something, maybe some fufu and pepper soup, or jollof rice, or I don't know, something Liberian. Do you have any Christmas Eve traditions? Yeah, so one thing I definitely would say my family has kept alive is opening gifts on Christmas Eve. I can't function. Like, and if I don't get gifts that year, I have to stay up till 12, wish everybody a Merry Christmas, give them their gifts, and if they have any gifts for me, open them right then and there. Now, if you have more than one gift for me, give me one, at least one to open for Christmas Eve. And then you can save the rest for the actual Christmas morning or Christmas Day. But that's one thing that I do on Christmas Eve. I always stay up all night long. Do you wear Christmas jumpers? No. Christmas sweaters, Christmas hats, Christmas colors. Nah, not really. If I'm doing it with like a group of friends or something like that outside my home, yeah, I'll get into the Christmas spirit. If the office is having a Christmas party or something like that, I'll join in and, you know, put a hat on, or, you know, wear some bells or something like that. But I don't usually look like Christmas on the outside. I honestly don't. I just don't. Well, in your culture, what date do you receive gifts? So culturally, in Liberia, they celebrate Christmas on the same day as most people around the world. There's not really much of a difference between how or when my family back home or my family here in the States gives or receives gifts. So, nah, I don't think there's a specific date besides Christmas. Do you like eggnog? No, I don't. I tried it a couple times. I used to try to drink the plain eggnog as a kid, and I just didn't really care for it. And then when I got older and I tried the grown-up eggnog, I was just like, is this what I've been missing out on? I haven't been missing out on much, honestly, because it's kind of nasty. I don't know. Dairy and alcohol, it's just not my twist. So no, I don't really care for eggnog. Have you ever visited the North Pole? I can't discuss that. What was your favorite gift you received on Christmas? Ooh, more recently, my Beats by Dre headphones. Ugh, top 10. Gotta say, definitely top 10 gifts. Have you ever gone Christmas caroling? Can't really say I've gone Christmas caroling, like door-to-door Christmas caroling. Have you ever built a gingerbread house? No, I haven't. Which it sucks because I see all these like crazy videos of everybody putting together their gingerbread houses with their families, and it's kind of cute. But I always wonder, like, when you guys put together your gingerbread houses, do you eat them afterwards? Cause like I feel like halfway through me trying to put the gingerbread house together, I would get distracted by the frosting. You know, I don't imagine it being a very easy task for me without me constantly eating things out of the packet and not building an actual gingerbread house. Try to name all of Santa's reindeers. Ugh. Donner, Blitzen, Rudolph, Craig, Pete, Jethro. Blitzen? Did I say Blitzen already? Oh, no. Okay, no. So I'm sorry. I'm not gonna bother trying to name any one of those. No. Finish this out quote. The best way to spread Christmas cheer is... I have no idea. I've watched the movie before, but I do not know how to complete that line. Don't throw tomatoes at me. I'm sorry if I'm not a elf fanatic enough for you guys. No, I don't. Worst present you've ever received. Like, most of the gifts that I've ever received are either things I really, really wanted or things that I really needed at the time. So even if they weren't like things that I wanted, there were things that I could put to use immediately. So can't really say there's a gift that I ever received from anyone where I was like, ugh, or I was angry about it or upset about receiving it. So nah, I can't really think of one. What is your all-time favorite Christmas food? My favorite Christmas food is whatever we're craving at the moment, to be completely honest with you. One thing I know I always have to make, no matter what holiday it is mac and cheese. So maybe I'll say mac and cheese. Yeah, probably mac and cheese. Okay. Make a noise to show how excited you are about Christmas. Yay! 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 Woo! Have you ever built a snowman? Yes, I have. Snow castles, snowmen, snow women, snow families. I used to be a snow construction champion. And then my body just did not like being outside in the cold anymore. So no, that is not something I do anymore. But yeah, I've made tons of snowmen. Who cooks the Christmas meal? All of us. All of us. Each of us in my family has a different task or a set of different dishes that we all kind of like take over each holiday, and Christmas is no different. Sometimes I'll help out with the sides. Sometimes I'll help out with a specialty dish. But yeah, all of us cook. We just take on different shifts. So while one person is cooking or seasoning the food, one person is sleeping, one person is watching the news, drinking coffee in the living room. So we kind of take turns, but we all kind of collaborate to make Christmas dinner. What gifts do you want for Christmas this year? Ooh, I do have a big Christmas wish list, but it's mostly like tech stuff for a laptop, maybe stuff I can use for my YouTube channel. A puppy has always been on every single Christmas list I've had since I was a kid, and I just haven't had one yet. Yeah, I would love to get a doggy. Boots, I love boots. Maybe a new wig. Some earrings, because I'm an earring fanatic. As you can see, yeah, a lot of the things I want for Christmas in 2020 are things that money cannot buy. And I know that sounds really mushy, but it's the honest to God truth. It really is. Do you prefer giving or receiving gifts on Christmas? I prefer giving gifts on Christmas, to be completely honest with you. I get my Christmas joy from bringing joy to other people's lives. So if I can put a smile on a child's face or a smile on a family member's face or maybe, you know, an older person who doesn't get to see their family a lot. That's what I prefer to do, most definitely. So I'm all about what I can do for other people, to be completely honest. That's where my Christmas joy and satisfaction comes from. Have you ever celebrated Christmas in another culture? For sure. I've definitely visited with other friends that are from different cultures and seen how they celebrate Christmas with different dishes, different drinks, different games and songs and stuff like that. So yeah, for sure, I've definitely had a variety of Christmas experiences within my culture and other people's cultures. What makes Christmas special to you? Favorite thing about Christmas or this time of the year here is just seeing everybody kind of soften up. I know we all watch the videos of the parents like elbowing each other and throwing bowls and Toys R Us, trying to get to the Tickle Me Elmos and the PS5s and all the video games and kind of fighting each other to get things off the shelf. But overall, I think my favorite thing about Christmas time, the lights, the decoration, the overall excitement, the mood kind of changes towards the end of the year. And this year is no different. If anything, it's a whole lot more significant. I know a lot of people are going a whole lot harder with the gift giving and the shopping and the decorations and trying to bring as much joy as possible. So yeah, out of everything, I would definitely say observing others so excited for this time of year makes me happy. The fact that all around the world, there's so many differences that we have within and without. And for some reason, when we get to this time of the year, it's just like something clicks in humanity that we all kind of just turn off those different complications and complexities and differences about each other and ourselves. And we all have this one common goal: to give joy, receive joy, and spread joy to others. So what would be your dream place to spend Christmas? Ooh. I want to go to Colorado. Like, I have to have the snow cabin experience. I would love to do a snow cabin experience. Everywhere else on my list is tropical. Like, I'm trying to be on the beach. I'm trying to be somewhere in the tropics. I'm trying to be somewhere warm. Everywhere that I would like to celebrate Christmas is everywhere else I would rather be right now anyway, which is somewhere hot, sunny, and tropical. Who are you spending Christmas with this year? You would like to know, wouldn't you? Wouldn't you? Are you a last minute shopper or are you organized? I'm a last minute shopper. No shame in the game. I'm a last minute shopper. Absolutely. I'm a last minute shopper. It'll get to you on Christmas. It'll get to you when it's supposed to get to you. But in terms of like, you might just be the day of Christmas sometimes, but you'll get your gift. It will be just as thoughtful and thought out as possible, just done at the last minute. What's your one Christmas wish? Ooh, to just be able to have a healthy and safe, much more joyous Christmas next year. To be here next year to celebrate Christmas. If I get a chance to do that, if I get a chance to see all my loved ones by Christmas next year, I would definitely do it up for sure. Other than that, my dog, some sushi, and maybe some good wine and a good movie. My biggest Christmas wish is probably just to see everybody that I love happy and comfortable. That's pretty much it. That has been my Christmas tag questions. I know some of my answers were corny, but I hope you learned a little bit more about me and some of my experiences through the way that I answer these questions. But in the meantime, I hope that all of you guys and your family and loved ones are having a safe, comfortable, loving, and kind and warm holiday season. Take care, be blessed, and stay tuned for more holiday themed stuff throughout the season from my channel. And I will see you guys next time.